The claw hammer. How do we use a claw hammer then? Well, the first thing is, how do we hold the hammer? It's really important we hold the hammer like we're shaking hands with somebody, like this. We don't put our finger on the back here. Sometimes you can hit something with a hammer and it bounces back up at you, and that can hurt your finger. So what we do is we hold it like we're shaking hands with somebody. When we're swinging the hammer, we don't just do this with our arms up and down. We also need to use our wrist as well. So we lift our wrist up a little bit and down on the piece of wood, down on the piece of wood like that. Now we're much better off doing careful strokes that are on target than we are really trying to hit the hell out of it. So just take your time when you're using a hammer. Next, we don't want to hold the hammer up the top here. This is called strangling the hammer. This is quite dangerous because if you miss the nail, it could go straight into your finger here. So we always hold it at the bottom of the hammer like that. And finally, the claw section here, this is for removing nails. We just put it underneath the head of the nail and tip the hammer this way to pull the nail out. Pretty simple. I'm sure you'll love using this.